If I told you that I want to know how many cubic meters of concrete in this building, and also I need from your side to give me a full concrete modeling on Revit and the details of these quantities. And take in consideration that these CAD drawings have many mistakes, looks like some extra lines, some overlapping lines, some areas are not closed. And for beams, sometimes it's represented by single continuous line, and some other times it's represented by separated lines. You will tell me that you need at least 1 week or more to define all these sections for buildings and give me what I'm asking, but honestly, now you can do that in just 10 minutes by using the right tool, and it is the EL Concrete plugin. First of all, we will use DWG clean button, and it will open the CAD drawings one by one and clean them and create a new folder on your desktop called clean the drawings. And after he finish, it will close the AutoCAD automatically. And as you see, we have now the DWG clean folder, and then we will use level button. In just one click, it will read all the levels from the Excel sheet. And now we link all the CAD files in the model, each one in its level. Now we only show the foundation CAD drawings. We go to the first level, and with one click we modeled all the grid, and with one more click we modeled all the foundations, isolated footings, combined strip footings, not only the shallow foundations but also the deep foundations, piles, caps. And with one more click we defined all the ground beams with its sections. It's not only constant sections for all beams, but EL Concrete has the ability to read sections from CAD. And with one more click, we modeled all the walls, circular walls, rectangular walls, arc walls. And with one more click, we modeled all the rectangular columns, circular columns, any shape of columns, not only rectangular or circular, any shape. And here, as you see, the bottom of columns will attach it automatically to the top of the foundations, even if they are with different thicknesses. Now we are moved to the ground floor. And it doesn't matter if the CAD drawings have plugs, it doesn't matter it have many mistakes in the CAD DWG itself. EL Concrete will handle all of that for you, don't worry. With one more click, we defined all the beams, each one in its place, and they have the correct type and section according to the DWG. And if you see, impossible to understand the beams from these unconnected lines, but EL Concrete plugin algorithm is so smart to understand that. One more click, we modeled all the slabs. Even if the slabs are not on the same level, it has the ability to read the text from the DWG. For example, for this slab, 300 millimeter thickness and different levels. And the same, and here also it shows you some of the slabs are not closed, and it's one of the best benefits from EL Concrete. It correct and closed the areas. No need to do it on the CAD drawings yourself, and it's a repetitive process for all the levels, columns, beams, slabs, and so on. It doesn't matter here how many levels do you have in your building. One level, same as 100 of levels or floors. EL Concrete gets the sections from each plan, so if the beams have a different places, have a different sections, if the slabs have a different thicknesses, anything, if the column position in some places it changes, it doesn't matter because it reads the sections and the areas from each plan individually. So it gives you the ability if the shape of building it changes, EL Concrete plugin compatible with all versions of Revit starting from version 2020 up to the current available version from Autodesk, and also compatible with all versions of AutoCAD, and it's so easy to install. Next, okay. And as you see, it's so easy to use, and also have the ability to read all the units of the CAD drawings do you have. As you see, in just a minute you did a full complete concrete modeling, and accurate in the same time according to the sections in the CAD drawings you supplied. And here, as you see, we just make a rotate for the building to make it more difficult on the algorithm for the plugin. And here, with one more click, we created all the schedules for the items, and with one more click we exported all these quantities to Excel sheet, and in the last sheet it will give you the total quantities of concrete used in the building, the answer of the question in the beginning of this video. Thanks.